Hi. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another informative and exciting tutorial. Today we are going to discuss and practice billboard design. First, we will see what a billboard is, why it is the most widely used medium of advertising and some common types and sizes of billboards. A billboard is an outdoor medium used for advertising that is usually displayed on large scales. You might have seen them on the roads or on streets and bus stands. These are some common types of billboards that are usually seen everywhere. In today's evolving world, because of the advancement in graphic design, street or bus stand billboards are the best way to grab customers' attention, as they show advertisements on a screen and can be used to show animations as well. Now, before practicing, let's have a look at some standard sizes and mediums for billboard design according to which we will design in Photoshop. Although billboards are outdoor or print media, its sizes are measured in feet. Sizes can vary and can also depend on the space in which the billboard has to be displayed. Billboards can be in both portrait and landscape orientation. Standard billboards are designed in landscape orientation and with a size of 3:1 ratio. In Photoshop we will use the same ratio, but we will just convert feet into inches. We will discuss it in detail when we will practice it. Currently, we are going to practice street or bus stand billboard design. It is designed in portrait orientation. As it contains screen element, we can use pixels measurement in designing software. Its standard size that is usually used is 1147,690 pixels. Let's move to Photoshop. We will take a custom template with the standard size of a billboard that we have discussed with 300 resolution and color mode mic. If it has to be displayed on a screen, you can change the color mode to RGB. At the first step of creating a layout of our design, we will work on making the background more attractive. Change the layer to normal to edit it. Double-click for blending options and add your desired effects. I am adding texture and shadow. Now click on the adjustment layer icon and add a solid color layer to add a background color. You can change it at any time by just clicking on the color layer. Now I am adding a shape with the polygon tool. Now to add some other dramatic pattern effects, I am adding a new layer. Let's create your own style. Draw shapes. I am changing fill and stroke for shape and adding radius. Use the transformation shortcut Ctrl+Alt+D to record the transformation. Then drag the shape. And press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to repeat this transformation. Select all shapes and from the Edit tab, select Define Brush preset to save it as a brush so that you can use this style whenever you want. Move back to File. Select the Brush tool. Select the brush you have just created from the above menu if it is not already selected. You can use multiple options in the menu. I have changed the color to white and just changed the brush angle. Change the layer style to overlay and see the magic. Now just tap and repeat. Select all styling layers and then right-click and make a group. You can also press Ctrl+G to group layers. Now I am adding an image related to our topic. I am designing for a clothing brand. Select the main subject with the quick selection tool and press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Activate the selection by pressing the Ctrl key and clicking on the layer thumbnail. Press the Layer Mask button to add a mask. Take a soft brush and start painting with the brush tool. Make sure the selection is active while painting, not mask. This way you can create shadows. Now add some text. You can use some stylish fonts according to the topic. Add some shapes to use them as text boxes. I am adding a rectangle. Press Ctrl+T to transform the shape. Then right-click and select Distort. Add text. You can use multiple styling options for text as well from properties. I am decreasing the line height to make it fit in the text box. I am adding another shape to show the discounted price. add the website of the company. I am increasing character spacing. Now add a logo of the company. And there you go. Now you can create your own designs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.